Hi, how are you? How's everything? How is going? Are you teleworking? I heard ABC Good Morning America, Anger Robin Roberts broadcast in her house at the basement. How is going? So if you are teleworking, make sure that if you use the computer, use ergonomic chair, not like this kind of chair. You need to complete, run. Ergonomic chair with a hand rest, back. 7 hours you are working, you will be in the work in the computer. So same as office chairs. Okay. Last times I put the video and lots of people recognize my face and they call me and they congratulate and a lot of people subscribe to my channel. So if you didn't subscribe yet, I humbly request you, please subscribe to my channel. And so many friends wonder, they already said that, oh, it's you don't cook that much. It's not a cooking channel, please don't misunderstood. It's not a cooking channel. I don't do that much cooking. And my intention is, don't end up in, if you got a degree and just say you have a career, please don't end up in the kitchen cooking. But sometimes if they enjoy, that's fine, but don't, please. I give some tips so you can, I will give some info how you can cook fast. That's all. It's not a cooking channel, please don't misunderstood that. Okay, today, last time's cooking, I did the ginger. I had to specify a few things. Ginger is not good for everybody. Those who take lots of spices, for them only it's good, Otherwise, if you don't take everyday spices, it may upset your stomach. And next thing is jaggery. When jaggery boils, it's converted into sucrose. That's a sugar. So those people who have high sugar level, they shouldn't take it either, because it's sucrose. But one thing is good about jaggery. Jaggery has a magnesium. That's high in nutrients. That's we need for our body. Mainly, we usually this COVID-19 time, you take more calcium and vitamin D and calcium. So calcium, first thing what's in your mind? Orange. Yes, take lots of orange. And carrots, that has vitamin D. That's also essential for, you keep your body just to get immunity. Vitamin C and D is good. So you just take grate the coconut and the carrot, eat by itself. Always keep in your diet like a salad. Don't cook before you can eat raw. That's good. So today I will make some it's a carrot cake, but it's not just for fun, just quick, easy way. It's not like carrot is good, but carrot cake has a lot of sugar and so just for a change. And I want to know that you are teleworking. I feel sad, I can't see my friends, I can't see my colleagues, I can't see my, once in a while we meet sometimes. Oh, we were so... Okay, let's start cooking. Go ahead. First preheat your oven for 350 degree. Okay, in order to start with the carrot cake, I start with the first wet ingredients. So take 3 eggs. And 2 cups of sugar. I already measure. I usually use, brown sugar. As I told you, brown sugar is and nutrients, minerals, everything is the same. Only carbohydrates, but it has the moisture. You know why? Because white sugar, when it get bleached, all the molasses you lose, then they add it back. So the cake will come more moist if you use brown sugar. I found out. So always try to use brown sugar, and brown sugar amount you use a little bit only, more like white sugar compared to white sugar. And 2 spoons of vanilla. Everything is, most of this here is measurement is 2, so you don't need to by heart learn. 2 spoons of vanilla essence, and half a cup of oil. You can use any vegetable oils, but don't use coconut oil. Coconut oil has a peculiar taste, so it will taste different. So don't use coconut oil, except any of the oils you can use. So everything 2, 3. Or you can mix it with the, if you don't have a whisk, you can just do it with a fork. Doesn't matter. Whisk it for few minutes. Okay. Everything has to incorporate. I think that's done, that's enough. Now we can keep aside for this one for a minute, and now we can start with the dry ingredients. That's some 2 cups of all-purpose flour, to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, it should be level, exact. When you're taking out, make sure that you take exact, you don't change the measurements. Level 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of, no, this is baking powder, sorry, baking soda. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. I love cinnamon powder. Even if it's more, I don't mind. But if you don't like, only put 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon only. But I like very much, so I put 2 teaspoons. And you can add a little bit of nutmeg, but I don't like the taste, so I don't put. That's optional. Sieve it for. It says that if you do 2-3 times sieving, so the baking soda and baking, it will mix evenly. So okay, this one is ready now. So we can incorporate with the wet mixture. You pour a little bit at a time, not the whole thing, Just to mix a little bit before you start. Now 2 more ingredients. 2 cups of grated carrot. This time don't whisk it, just fold it slowly. in this process, actually the tedious one is grating the carrot. Everything else is, is easy. Just mix it. Now the last one. Raisins. Raisins are very good. Always add raisins in your diet. Why? Because it works as antioxidants. That helps for our cells. Making, prevent free radicals. What is free radicals? That's the molecules. That free radicals may cause heart disease, cancer or stroke. So free radicals are actually the molecules produced when our food break down, the food processing, or when you get into a radiations or tobacco. So not to get any free radicals, that's good. So it has antioxidants, it may work. So you always, and one thing, raisins have lots of iron. That's good for digestion. Always take. And one more it's an option, you can add a pecan, crushed pecan, or half a cup of or walnuts. But I don't like the nuts, so I don't like nuts, so I don't put any nuts in there. But you can put, it's very, those who like. So now it's ready. I'm going to change it into a pan, baked pan. I usually use a bun. Wax it and cover with the wax paper or parchment paper. Wax with the butter. So this one is bun. This one is a very. I like the middle part. Is empty. So sometimes if you use the flat one, it won't cook easily. So middle part, don't cook fast. This one is bun type pancake. I like it. So let me transfer. So almost transfer everything to the baking. So tap it few times. Make sure that there is no air bubbles. Otherwise it will get a big hole inside the cake. It need only for 45 to 50 minutes. So after 40 minutes, just check. So I will set it up for that. So the last one, I will show how to grate the carrot. You can use this one, like this. Or you can use this one. It's going to be faster. I like this one to be used. Okay. Thank you. So let me take it out. I checked already. Came out like clean. Good with it. Came out clean. Or you can take it with the toothpick if it comes out clean. It's melted. It's melted like that much sugary. It's good. So let me cut a piece. It's almost finished. This much I ate. It's little warm still. Take some time.